So I've taken two pieces, some black mohair, some silver tinsel, taken about 6 feet of each, created a loop halfway down, and now I'm just going to double this over and create a slip knot. And with this slip knot is how I make this Sinnet braid. It's just a macrame knot. We've probably done this as kids, braiding cord. Let's see if I can adjust this, move this out a little bit more. I have that loop, reach between it, grab the extra piece, pull it through the loop, just work it down. And just make sure it's all good and tight. And I run it so that I get a braided piece that's anywhere from 70 to 120 millimeters in length, which are the two more common sizes of snakes patterns that we have or we use out in the field. And then to finish it, what I'll do is I'll pull the tag material through the loop altogether, and then just pull that braid down, that knot down, and that locks it off. So now, as you can see, I've got this all braided. I'll brush this out with a wire brush, and that'll free up some of the tinsel and the mohair that's been trapped as you're braiding. And then I'll run some Dacron on a needle tied to a hook. I'll run it through the core of this and then add the top half to the second hook. So there's your Sinnet braid all put together. That's what creates that Sinnet snake body. Simple, easy macrame braid. I posted up a paracord video on it where they do this type of single Sinnet braid, so that's why I ended up with a paracord material. They use paracord as showing you how to make that braid, but you can do that with any long stringy piece of material. I've done it with this. I've done it with 40 mil extreme chenilles, or what I call just supreme chenilles, or it's pretty simple, easy forward. And you can mix and match however you want. This is gold. I got some rainbow here. I got some orange mohair, some bright gold, some silver tinsel, burgundy, of course the black. So yeah, just mix it up the way you see fit. You can run just a straggle if you want itself. I buy mine, like this, a straggle leggy. It's about $5–6 for about 270 meters. So anyways, I hope you get something out of that, and hope that helps you build those Sinnet braid bodies for your flies. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.